Now, today I'm going to discuss how menopause causes memory problems and, forgetfulness, and how you can actually reverse it. Now, a little bit of memory loss is a natural part of aging. And part of the reason isn't just due to aging, but partly because of the lack of brain stimulation. Basically, as you get older, most people are no longer challenging the brain like they used to when they were younger, right? You're not learning anything new or doing anything new. And as the saying goes, use it or lose it. However, hormones also play a major role in memory for both men and women. Now, the decline in testosterone for men, which causes andropause, and also the decline in estrogen and other female hormones in women, which causes menopause, are major reasons for memory problems and the general, brain fogginess. And I'll discuss the guys in another video. Today, I want to focus on women and menopause and memory loss and how to prevent and reverse this while also increasing your energy levels, both for your mind and body. However, before I continue, if you aren't already, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now while it's fresh in your mind, because I've got some very important videos coming out soon about this and similar topics, and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, so let's first start with estrogen and perimenopause. Now, as you age, your ovaries stop working as well as they once did, right? Now, over time, they produce fewer eggs and eventually stop entirely. Now, your body responds by reducing the amount of estrogen it produces because the hormone is no longer needed for reproduction. Now, this process doesn't happen immediately. Now, during this perimenopause, the transitional time before menopause, your estrogen levels go up and down. And this is when women experience, symptoms associated with the transition to menopause. For example, hot flashes and night sweats occur when fluctuations in estrogen levels send a false message to your brain that your body is overheating. Sleep disturbances occur because of reduced levels of estrogen and progesterone. Mood changes and depression are common as well. And research has clearly shown that the drop in estrogen and other female hormones triggers memory loss and brain fog. Now, let's talk about estrogen memory loss. The exact effect of estrogen progesterone loss in the brain isn't fully understood. It's believed that estrogen may help the neurotransmitter systems that send signals in the brain areas involved in memory and information processing. Now, many researchers also think that estrogen promotes the growth and survival of neurons, the cells that send electrical impulses. Now, these impulses serve as messages that are crucial for making your brain and nervous system work properly. So let's discuss 6 proven ways on how you can help avoid and reverse memory loss. Now, the first is hormone replacement therapy. Now, my area of study is in pharmacology and also endocrinology, which is a study of hormones. So one of the ways to prevent these problems is to supplement both estrogen and progesterone. Doing so during this perimenopause or early stages of menopause works best. However, I do not advocate taking synthetic versions of these hormones. Speak to your doctor about taking bioidentical versions, which are natural forms of estrogen and progesterone. Granted, this isn't something that you can, do for the rest of your life. So keep that in mind. It's not a long-term fix. So let's continue with natural long-term ways of improving your hormones. The first one I consider is getting some rest. Now, rest improves your hormones, especially by decreasing elevated levels of stress hormones. There are lots of things you can do to get more, or what I call better rest. Sleep is one of them. Also, meditation and relaxations are also other ways. Also, avoiding stimulants such as caffeine is important as well. Next, you want to eat better. Of course, food controls your hormones as well. You should eat more healthy fats, such as fish oils, extra virgin olive oil, macadamia nut oil, coconut oil, raw nuts, seeds, and also avocados. For protein, eating some fatty fish such as salmon is great, but eliminate high mercury fish such as tuna, which will cause memory loss. Whole eggs are great. A little bit of free-range chicken and bison are also good. Now, the best forms of carbohydrates are typically vegetables, white rice, yams, and sweet potatoes. Also, you want to limit alcohol, sugars, heated and hydrogenated oils, artificial sweeteners, and also baked goods and desserts. Next one you want to do is exercise your body. Listen, motion creates emotion and also improves blood flow. Exercise doesn't need to be complicated. I suggest taking, a 20 to 30 minute brisk walk every day or at least 3 times weekly. Any time of the day will do. And you must also do some form of resistance exercise about 3 times a week. Lifting weights is very important for hormone production and improving blood flow. Now you can use, dumbbells or free weights or machines, cables, or just even your own body weight. It's a great start. Next, you want to exercise your brain. Now this part, most people will skip out, but you must exercise your brain to prevent it from shrinking. Read more and learn something new every day. There's lots of, online mind games that you can take, search on Google, such as also luminosity.com, which are fun, games that you can play and keeps your brain and synapses and neurons fresh. And finally, you want to take supplements. There are a few powerful herbs that work like steroids for your brain. They'll improve your blood flow, increase neurotransmitters, strengthen the synapses and neurons, while also improving other brain chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin. In the description area below this video, I put a link to the list of best and safest herbs and natural nutrients that you can use today that will improve your memory, your brain health, and also increase your energy levels. So make sure you take a look at that. Now, in summary, listen, just because you're getting older and have gone through maybe menopause or aren't producing the same level of hormones that you used to when you were younger does not mean that you have to go through the rest of your life feeling old and having memory problems and being forgetful and having brain fog and feeling tired and lethargic or even depressed. The only difference is now you have to put in a little bit more effort to fix this problem. But listen, if you don't do anything, you already know that this problem is only going to get worse as you get older. So please take action today and make some of the improvements that I've listed in today's video. Over time, make, more and more improvements in your daily lifestyle. And I promise, not only will you feel younger, but you'll also look younger as well. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video gave you more clarity. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the help with others so they can benefit as well. Also, do me a favor and please leave your comments and questions below. And don't forget to click the link below in the description area to see the list of the best and safest, ingredients and herbs and natural nutrients that you can use today that will improve your memory, brain health, and also increase your energy levels. And as always, thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.
AI Clinics, no excuses, just results. Give us a call for a free consultation with one of our clinical advisors.